Hi everyone, this is a video to show you about the Oxcode solution offered by Omnichannel. Before showing you the features and explaining the advantages and the real-time process of managing Oxcode system, I will log in into my Omnichannel page. I'm entering the company name. I'm typing the username. I'm typing the password. I'm logging in. I'm getting logged in into my Omnichannel page. This is my omni-channel page. To show you the Oxcode solution, first I'm clicking on Voice 3CX and then clicking on Oxcode. This is my Oxcode page. These are the Oxcodes that I have already created. With omni-channel, you can create as many Oxcodes that you want and the Oxcodes that are related to your own business. This is the button for adding Oxcodes. This is the button to update your Oxcodes, and this is the delete icon using which you can delete the Oxcodes that are not required anymore. First, let me show you how to add Oxcodes. I'm clicking on add Oxcode. There is a pop-up, add Oxcode, and I'm going to add an Oxcode here. I have entered an Oxcode as manual process. I'm clicking on update. There is a notification to show that you have added the Oxcode successfully, and you can see in the display also the Oxcode has been added successfully, manual process. Like this, you can add as many Oxcodes as you want in relevant to your organization operation. Now I'm going to update this, so I'm clicking on the update icon. Again, there is a pop-up, update Oxcode. I'm going to update the name of the Oxcode now. I've made an update saying that manual process involved. I'm clicking update. There is a notification that I have updated the data successfully. Let us see in the display manual process involved. Now I have created an Oxcode saying that manual process involved. Now if I do not want this Oxcode, I can readily delete it. I'm clicking on this delete icon. It's asking for a confirmation. I'm clicking on yes, delete it. So it has been deleted. You can see the Oxcode that I created and updated is not anymore displayed here. Oxcodes are very important for a contact center. A contact center is very busy. The agents are always involved in keep making outbound calls or attending inbound calls. And they also have to do some after call work like filling in wrap up codes or completing call logs or doing some customer history or customer review work. So the agent's time is exactly divided into the contact time and the non-contact time. And this is where the Oxcode solution gets the significance. Omnichannel offers Oxcode solutions which are very simple, accurate, and the agents can, without any confusion, choose the Oxcode and log out of the queue. There are some time where the agents are really stressed out because a contact center is a busy place involved with customer interaction, and so at some point of time the agent may feel stressed out and willingly would log out to be at the bottom of the queue or not to attend the call. So omni-channel is very exclusive and offers accurate system which will not allow your agent to do aux jumping or aux toggling, and it helps the manager or the supervisor or the admin to do real-time monitoring of the agent's performance, to assess how they are spending their non-call time, and if he really finds that the agent is not genuinely involved in ACW or not exactly doing the reason that he has chosen, he can train them, motivate them, or devise further strategies to improve and boost the agent's performance and the overall performance. I will explain to you how the manager can find out what the agent is exactly doing. For that, I have to go to MC dashboard. I'm clicking on advanced wallboard 1. This is the wallboard page. Omnichannel also offers wallboards which are very significant for the enhancement of any business, especially contact center, because our wallboards give you complete information about what is dynamically going on in the contact center at any point of time of the day or night. You can see here there is an option for queue management which shows the total number of call waiting, the number of abandoned calls, the number of agents who are available, the number of answered calls, the number of agents who are busy, the total number of calls that has reached the contact center, the talk time, percentage wise the answered calls, percentage wise the abandoned calls, the average handling time of the calls, the average waiting time. So the manager can get a quick glance of what is exactly happening with the queues, the agents, the inbound calls, the outbound calls, why the agents are not attending the calls, why the calls have gone abandoned, why the customers are kept waiting for a long time. Likewise, he can devise strategies to improve the process also. We have an option for having a quick glance of the agent. This is the agent's name, the agent's extension. See here, it will show you whether the agent is available or not. The green color shows that the agent is available, which means that he is logged in the queue and will be able to answer the inbound calls. The reason is the aux code that we are talking about. When the agent logs out of the queue, he will be compelled to pick out an aux code, which means that to log out of the queue for not attending the call, the agent has to give a proper reason. So that is the significance of the aux code. The agent is now receiving the call. I'm cutting the call now. I'm going back to the wallboard. So if he is in the queue, he will be attending the call. If he is not in the queue, he will not be able to attend the call. And that can be shown with the icon also. If he is in available status, the color will be in green. If he has logged out, the color will be in red. Now, other details like the number of answered calls, the number of missed calls, the in calls, the average time can also be viewed here. Likewise, the queue details like the queue name, the number of queue, the answered calls, the missed calls, the percentage of answered call, the average talking time, the call waiting time, the average waiting time, everything can be managed in the wallboard. Now I'm going to show you when an agent wants to log out of the queue, how he will be compelled to give a proper reason. So I am the agent now. I'll show my profile. Now I am the agent 605. I'm the agent 605. I'm the agent. I'm in the available status. You can see the green icon over there. Now I want to log out of the queue. So I'm trying to log out. It is asking for confirmation. Confirm queue log out. Yes, I want to log out. So I'm clicking yes. So immediately there is a pop-up asking for aux code. So if the agent has to log out from the queue, he has to give an aux code, a reason, and only then he can log out. Now I'm the agent. I have to provide an aux code. So I'm providing the tea break aux code. I'm clicking on all the queues that I have logged in so that I can log out now. And clicking on log out. You can see the notification that I have logged out successfully, and this is being reflected in the wallboard also. The agent 605 is not available, so the icon is in red color. He has given the reason as tea break. So the manager will now know how many agents are logged in the queue and available to pick up the calls, and how many agents have logged out of the queue and the reason for which they have logged out. Now if the agent logs in back, that also will be reflected in the wallboard, and the manager will get the information immediately. Now I'm the agent 605. I'm logging in. I'm now logging in. See, I have logged in successfully, and this is being reflected in the wallboard. The agent 605 is available for taking calls. The icon is in green color. So this is how the manager can quickly notice how many agents are available and how many agents are not available and the reasons. And the agent also cannot cheat the system without providing a proper reason. He cannot log out of the queue. If the manager wants, he can also create a report. So for that, he has to click on reports and then click on aux code report. He can have a quick view of the agents, their logged in status, whether the agent is in logged in status or logged out status. If he has logged out, the reason, the day, the time, and all this can be generated as a report also. You can choose the agent, you can choose the aux code, you can choose the queues. You can choose the day from which you want the report. You can choose the day till you want the report and click on generate report. An Excel will be generated. If you open the Excel, you can find all the details. So this is the aux code solution provided by Omnichannel. If you want some extra features, we can fix that for you. Please contact our sales team or development team to get to know more about the features, advantages, and the pricing. And we can customize solutions also for you within the budget and the time specification. Thanks for watching the video.